Welcome back, everybody. We are out tonight. We just got back. It's a little like kind of a little bit of late night. We just got a new transplant for that bad boy. Check it out. So, as you guys know, this has the KA24de motor, which is a single overhead motor. And we are going to swap it for this little beast. This one needs a little bit of work, so we're going to tear it apart real quick, and that's what we're going to be going over for the next few weeks. Is we're going to go over how to tear this apart, check some things, change some things, freshen her up, and then get her dumped in. When I got this from a guy, he's one of the subscribers now, so I want to give a huge shout out for giving us a great deal on this parts. He hooked me up with the motor, transmission, a secondary block, an exhaust, and another head, the ECU, all the stuff I'm gonna need, including the wiring harness, to swap this over to this bad boy right here. So I'm always getting some questions too. I'm gonna add on to this about my detailing system and how we have it all set up. I'm still not done with it. We still have a lot of detailing here we got to put apart or put away, but we have the 1 gallon jugs that break down to the spray bottles, the wax, polishes, interior cleans, brushes, wheel cleaner, etc., etc. So this is the system that we're working on right now and building it up so we have all these nice and neat. We got a system that's going to go where those wheels are right now for the caliper, and it's going to hold all of our towels and our polishers, which I bought another secondary polisher so we can actually do twice as much detailing as fast. So stay tuned for some of that too. So it's just going to be a short update on this one. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what we got in the hopper over the next few weeks. We're going to go out to probably Harbor Freight, get a actual engine stand so we can put this one up, dismantle it from the transmission. Transmission and clutch I think are okay. We're going to hold that and we're going to check it when we get it all torn apart. And then we're going to get the motor torn apart all the way down, clean it up really good, put some new bearings into it, some new gaskets, freshen her up, and get her put back into the car. And that'll be the winter project that we get already. The secondary block, I'm not sure what we're going to do with it. We're talking about going and building that block up so it's got a little more power so it can have the turbo. But one of the goals is we want to do a KA-T turbo system for this. Sorry, they call it a KA-T engine swap, and try to get about 300 horsepower out of this. So hope you guys like the video. I know it's kind of short. It's not very long one, but we'll see you guys next time when we start working on this and start tearing this all apart. Later.